How do you appeal a Social Security disability claim denial? Hello, I'm Mark Whitehead, a board-certified disability attorney and author of the ebook, The Social Security Disability Puzzle, How to Fit the Pieces Together and Win Your Claim. Most claims for Social Security disability or SSI disability benefits are initially denied. Unfortunately, this happens even when a claimant has a strong case. For this reason, having legal representation on a disability claim is especially important and can make the difference between winning and losing. What are the basics of the Social Security disability appeals process? Appeals for Social Security claims begin at the administration level and may progress, if continually denied, to the final appeal, which is a lawsuit filed in federal court. When a Social Security disability claim is denied at any level of the appeals process, you must appeal to the next level. Otherwise, your claim will be kicked out of the system and you must restart from the beginning. There are 4 levels of administrative appeals within the Social Security disability system. They are the initial determination, the request for reconsideration, a hearing before an administrative law judge, and finally, a review by the Appeals Council. The initial application for Social Security disability benefits begins with the administrative review process. If your initial claim for disability is denied, you should file what's called a request for reconsideration. You have 60 days to file this appeal from the date you receive your decision, plus 5 additional days because of the time it takes to receive the decision by mail. If the request for reconsideration is denied, the next step is to request a hearing before an administrative law judge. This is known as an ALJ hearing. Again, the 60-day plus 5 timeline applies. If you receive a denial from the ALJ, the final administrative appeal is to appeal to the Appeals Council in Falls Church, Virginia. The time limit for this appeal, as in all cases, is 60 days plus 5 for mail. If you still have not received a favorable decision during the administrative appeals process, the final Social Security disability appeal is to file a lawsuit in federal district court in the division where you live. The federal court appeal is litigation, where only a licensed attorney can represent a claimant in a case. How can you win your case? The key to winning a disability case, other than having strong medical evidence, is to keep appealing. This gives you the opening to provide additional evidence that most likely was missing in any earlier appeals. It's been my experience that most claims are denied at the initial determination and the reconsideration stages, the first 2 stages of the Social Security disability appeals process. The biggest mistake claimants make is not appealing to the 3rd level of appeal, the ALJ hearing. The ALJ hearing is basically a mini trial. At this stage, you'll have your first live hearing before a judge. You can present any evidence you have, including live testimony, and you can argue your case to the judge. The complexity of the Social Security disability appeals process has made the task of pursuing claims through all levels of appeal extremely difficult. Aware of this problem, the Social Security Administration allows you to be represented by an attorney on a contingency fee basis. In other words, you can hire a lawyer to represent you with no money up front. Social Security regulations limit the payment that your attorney can receive. The attorney is paid only if you win your case, and payment is a percentage of the past due benefits that you may recover. As of 2013, the standard contingency fee to an attorney is 25% of all past due benefits, up to a maximum of $6,000 if the case is won before appealing to the Appeals Council. This maximum cap may be increased in the near future. For more information, download my free ebook, The Social Security Disability Puzzle, How to Fit the Pieces Together and Win Your Claim, by visiting www.disabilitydenials.com for a free downloadable copy. Or call 1-800-562-9830 to discuss your particular disability issue. I'm Mark Whitehead. Thanks for watching.